Y'all might want to try to figure out why he's look like he's in such pain. Did y'all figure it out? Do y'all know what it is?
Oh, freak.
Is he getting a tattoo? No. Is it because he's suffering from major loss of lotion? No, that ain't it.
Oh, try the nail clippers.
Did he get in a fight with a brick monster and lose?
Try the clippers, Tamara. Try the clippers.
And they're getting his toes clipped. Look at that.
Freak.
You see, look at all that. That's nasty.
Try the clippers.
No.
The clippers. Did y'all hear that? Came from his mouth. This nigga said get the clippers on his toes. He got bedrock feet, nigga. Flintstone. He got brick beaters.
That shit hurt, man. You know it's super tender right there.
Come on.